From the moment the Big Bang ignited 13.8 billion years ago, our universe has been on a journey of stars, galaxies, black holes, and endless mysteries. But everything that begins must have an end. And as we gaze into the infinite night sky, one question haunts us. What will be the future of our universe? Will the stars burn forever? Will galaxies drift apart into the darkness? Or will everything collapse back into a fiery end? Today, we dive deep into the science, the facts, and the shocking possibilities of what lies ahead for the cosmos. When we look at the stars above, we are actually looking into the past. The light we see left those stars millions, sometimes billions of years ago. But modern science does more than just look back. It allows us to predict the future. Using Einstein's theories, astronomical observations, and advanced simulations, scientists have crafted several possible fates for the universe. The first possibility is what we call the heat death of the universe. Right now, stars burn because of nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing energy. But fuel is limited. Over the next 100 trillion years, the stars of today will die one by one. Some will explode in supernova, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. Others will simply fade away as white dwarfs, slowly cooling into cold, dark remnants. When the last star flickers out, the universe will enter a dark era. Black holes will dominate, swallowing whatever remains. Over unimaginable timescales, even black holes will evaporate through a process called Hawking radiation, fading into nothing. What will be left? A silent universe, filled only with cold, scattered particles and endless emptiness. This is the heat death, not an explosion, but a slow, inevitable fade into darkness. But that is only one scenario. Another possibility is the Big Crunch. Imagine the expansion of the universe slowing down, reversing, and collapsing. All galaxies, stars, and planets pulled back together by gravity, shrinking into a final singularity. A cosmic rewind, ending where it all began. If this happens, our universe could end in fire. A final explosion that erases everything. Some scientists even suggest that a new Big Bang could follow, giving birth to a brand new universe. There is also a more violent possibility, the Big Rip. We know that the universe is expanding and that expansion is accelerating. The cause is something mysterious, something we call dark energy. But if dark energy grows stronger over time, the expansion will not stop. It will tear galaxies apart. Then it will tear solar systems apart. Then it will rip planets, atoms, and even space itself apart. The universe will be shredded into nothing. This terrifying fate is known as the Big Rip. Now, which of these futures is most likely? Current observations suggest that the universe is expanding faster and faster, making the heat death or Big Rip more probable than the Big Crunch. But we still don't know the true nature of dark energy. Until we do, the ultimate fate of the cosmos remains uncertain. Let's journey further into time. Over the next few billion years, our own galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with its neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. Right now, they are rushing toward each other at nearly 400,000 kilometers per hour. When they meet, stars will be thrown into chaos, black holes will merge, and new stars will ignite. But despite the drama, it's unlikely our Sun or Earth will collide with another star. Space is vast. Instead, the two galaxies will merge into one giant elliptical galaxy, a new cosmic home for billions of stars. 5 billion years from now, our Sun will reach the end of its life. It will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. After shedding its outer layers, it will collapse into a white dwarf, glowing faintly for trillions of years before fading away. Humanity, if it survives that long, will have to find a new home among the stars. But let's stretch our imagination further, to the end of time. Black holes, once thought to be eternal, will also fade. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes slowly emit radiation, losing energy until they vanish completely. A black hole the size of a star may take 10 years to evaporate, a number so vast it is beyond comprehension. But in the end, even these giants of gravity will be gone. At that stage, the universe will enter what physicists call the dark era. No stars, no black holes, only subatomic particles drifting in an endless void. If the heat death is our destiny, this will be the final chapter of the cosmos. Silence, coldness, and eternal night. But perhaps, just perhaps, this is not the end. Some scientists believe in the theory of the multiverse. If our universe is just one bubble in a sea of infinite universes, then while ours may fade, others may be born. Perhaps new universes are already forming, beyond our cosmic horizon, each with different laws of physics, different stars, and different futures. Another idea is that of the cosmic rebirth. If the universe does collapse in a big crunch, it might explode again in another Big Bang, creating a cycle of death and rebirth. An infinite loop of universes, each giving rise to new galaxies, new stars, and maybe even new forms of life. And then there is the mystery of dark energy itself. We know almost nothing about it. It could fade away, slowing the expansion. It could strengthen, leading to the Big Rip, or it could change in ways we cannot yet imagine. shaping a future beyond our current understanding. The truth is, the future of our universe is still unknown, but one fact is certain. We are living in a very special moment. Stars still shine, galaxies still dance, life exists. We are witnesses to a cosmic story that began billions of years ago and may stretch billions more into the future. As we gaze into the night sky, we are not only looking at the past, but glimpsing the possible futures. A universe that burns out slowly, a universe that collapses violently, or a universe that rips itself apart. Each possibility is a reminder of how fragile and how extraordinary existence really is. The universe may end in fire, it may end in ice, or it may never end at all. But until then, we are here, tiny sparks of consciousness, asking questions, searching for answers, and daring to dream about the future of everything.